Further, we take another type of question that is from this book, that is question number 6.1.8. That is, let the table, you can see that the table, that is x, has the values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the frequency that is 7, 14, 12, 13, 6 and 5. That is some sort of discrete distribution. Represent a summary of a random sample of 55 from a Poisson distribution. This table basically represents some sort of summary of a certain experiment of 55 observations from a Poisson distribution. Find the maximum likelihood estimate of x is equal to 2. So in this case, how we proceed? We know that the MLE of the Poisson distribution, whose parameter is lambda, is x bar. So we can say that lambda hat is equal to x bar. Now first we find the mean of the given data. So how we proceed that? That is very simple. 7 into 0 plus 14 into 1 plus 12 into 2 plus 13 into 3 plus 6 into 4 plus 3 into 5 divide by the respective frequencies. That is 7 plus 14 plus 12 plus 13 plus 6 plus 3, and that is equal to 2.10 now. Since we have to find the MLE of probability x is equal to 2, so we know that the probability x is equal to 2, that is equal to x raised to power minus lambda, where the lambda basically that is the estimate of the mean. So we write down this value, that is minus, so actually sorry, we have to write down this value. Actually this is x raised to power minus 2 e raised to power minus x bar. We just write down in terms of its estimate. Now we know that x bar is this one, so that basically that is x bar raised to power minus 2. So x bar हमने निकाला है, that is 2.019, that is minus 2 into e raised to power minus 2.109 divided by 2 factorial, and when we evaluate this we find some sort of approximate value that is 0.27. So in this case, when we have to find the maximum likelihood estimate of probability x is equal to 2, and when our probability mass function follows the Poisson distribution, then the maximum likelihood estimate of probability x is equal to 2, that is 0.27.